Dito kami sa Cloud Forest, Singapore. Ayan o, kasama ko yung aking ate.
Dear visitors, please be reminded that eating and drinking is not allowed in our conservatories. Kindly also do not touch our plants and flowers. We thank you for your cooperation and understanding.
Cloud Forest already, Cloud Forest. Oh, tamo naman. Kalalim din niya. Already din eh, nasa baba. Ayan, pwede na. Ayan, Ayan, Ayan,